Hey, what's up everyone? Nomadic Gaijin here. Today I'm at Onioshidashi. It's a place where they say a demon pushed out a ton of rocks out of a mountain when it erupted. That mountain right there. Let's go check it out. Listed as Mount Asama Magma Stone Park in English, the story here is quite interesting. Mount Asama is an active volcano, and a massive eruption in 1783 created this stone park. And if you look closer on the map, you can see the crater where the eruption happened. It's quite massive. According to a picture at the park, Mount Asama used to be way bigger. I mean, check out that outline. The surrounding area is beautiful, and there are several observation points where you can see the whole valley. Supposedly, the name comes from locals in the area when the 1783 eruption happened. So for the name of this place, Onioshidashien, we've got Oni for demon, and Oshi for push, Dashi for out, and N for park. That's Demon Push Out Park is Onioshidashien. And there we go. Here's a comical rendition made by my boy Gaijin Suzuki of how this park came to be. If you're driving, there's a toll road that will cost you 280 yen either way. If you're going by train or bullet train, you can go to Karuizawa Station or Naka Karuizawa and take a bus that goes here every hour. And this is it. This is the parking lot. Just coming up here, there's nothing around. It's a really cool place. Hey, so we're now in the parking lot for Onioshidashi. When you check it out, there's a sign up there. That's the bridge you take across to the park. So we'll go in here at this building on the side first, just to get some drinks, to use the restroom, all those kind of things. And then we'll cross over. There's an observatory platform here, but most of the excitement, it comes from just walking around the park itself. So let's go check it out. The park map right before the entrance gives you an idea of the 4 different paths and different course sets you can do as you walk to the park. There's a picture of John Lennon with family out here. That's pretty cool. Right after the entrance, there are pictures depicting rocks and what animals they look like. I noticed the kids were all excited for it, saying things like, "I want to find the gorilla." So it's a nice nature spot for children as well. We're ready to go. Cost to get in was 650 yen per person. The dogs were free. That's the infamous mountain. So there's a restaurant up there, which we'll probably be hitting up in a little bit since we didn't really eat much yet. And then we'll take the main walk around at that gate right there. Oh man, that's a nice little gate. I know it's just a bunch of rocks, but it's gorgeous. I don't know why. Like, I just like the way it looks here. Like, the nice part about this mask is that you can see my face when I'm talking, but it's just plastic, so it gets all cloudy. Pretty much all along these paths, there's these the kind of lanterns. I love these things. You can see 2 very excited dogs behind me. So, I don't know what the meaning of these 2 little concrete things is, but there's some. We're about halfway in. There's this kind of pavilion. There's a museum over there, so we might hit that up after this. See that that building is the one we just I feel like we just walked by like 2 seconds ago, but now it's kind of far away. This is pretty neat. Alright, so there's that pavilion. It's over there. We're looking forward to taking a rest over there. A place where you do the hand washing, but they closed it off because of Corona, I think. First time I've seen that. And you're not meant to do it because they're trying to keep, I mean, that's good, you know. Traditionally, you'd wash your hands here, take some in your mouth as well, to purify yourself before going to like a temple or a shrine or anything like that. It looks like there's smoke coming from the mountain itself. No, do you see it? There's some smoke up there.
Maybe somebody's burning.
I don't think someone's burning something. That's a huge amount. This is the central kind of location. They got restaurants. Oh, it doesn't look like the restaurant might be open. That's too bad. I was hoping for some amazake, or you could get soft cream, right?
That's so bad.
Yeah, that's too bad. So this is one of those bells that they ring. Again, they're asking people not to do it because of Corona, but usually when things are okay, you can come up here and actually ring the bell yourself and give it a try. A lot of kids like to do that. It's fun. It's very loud. You might notice from posts that I put on social media, but I love the red bridges, the red buildings and things like that. So oh, the view here is great. This is nice. Wow. Check this out. So again, there's the building that we came from, in the parking lots over there. And then the weird Ferris wheel for no reason. Snowy mountains. The air here, like I always say in these videos when I come out to away from the city, the air is just really clean and nice. The dog one, yeah, you gotta get the dog one. That's cool. For your health. Got a little demon on it. That's pretty cool. So I should be alright. That's for Gia. Hey, what are you doing? That's for you. You excited? Yeah, Kobe's had one for a few years, but now Gia gets one. Very exciting. She's been waiting for this. I mean, how come I don't have? She wants it. It's not food though. It's not for you to eat. Wow, time to replace it. How about that path, huh? Cool. So I think there's a photo, so I'll see if I can find it, of Kobe trying to eat the ice cream over here. So I'll definitely pop that on. The dogs just look so happy. It's a really good place to bring dogs. I think probably for a lot of people this is just a bunch of rocks. It's not that exciting, but for me I really like it because it's kind of history, you know, the story of the demon in the mountain just pushing out all these rocks, and that it ended up like this. And it's pretty right on that tree up there. I mean, it's a cool little tree. It's like when there's a will, there's a way tree. Right? I think I can. Bonsai. So this path just goes back to the main thing, and that's not what I wanted actually. There's another path that goes more into the wilderness. We can loop back around and catch that other path.
Again?
It's exercise. It's good.
We fail.
Yes, for everyone paying attention. Yeah, we failed. So we wanted to go on the long loop, but this is what I said. Like every time. I mean, it's only the second time, but it's really easy to get turned around here or lost. I think because
Everything looks the same. Pretty cool. You're not really gonna notice it now though. Oh, maybe in the kind of cave down there, huh? Well, let's go check that out. So it seems like if you look in this little kind of cave, you can see a little bit. Let's check that out. Whew. Oh yeah, it does kind of glow a little bit, I guess. Oh, okay. I'm in the wrong spot. No, I mean there was something. There was definitely something in
I
there.
don't know what.
No, I found some. I swear. Kind of expected there might be like a little bear or something in here. I'll reach up and take my camera. That's really cool. So, I guess we're just gonna walk all the way back to the front gate and then go again and then try to find that longer path. It was on the left, like back there, right? When I pointed at it. Oh, there's another path down here too. Want to get lost twice? Oh, there's a map. Okay, that might be helpful. Do you understand? Do you? Okay, well, we're here, so. Okay, we can get the big loop. Wow, we've only covered this much. You can see the map. We've only covered this much. There's this much to cover. All right, here we go. It's a way. Did you look at the map? They've got this concrete sort of line going through. It's almost like they were gonna build something, or they did. Oh, look at that! It's actually. So it's I don't know, something.
Maybe the cargo train. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. It looks like a track, but it's got some kind of pipe. Is this where the water comes from here, or what? I don't know. Interesting. Look at my mask, it's all fogged up. We come to another concrete resting area where there happens to be two happy dogs about to drink some water.
Hi.
Make sure if you bring dogs, you bring water, because they're just going to town on this. That's the smoking, dangerous mountain behind me. I really wonder what that's all about. There's an easy path, which goes back to that sort of pavilion, right? And then there's the long path, which goes into the wilderness. Possibly bear attacks. So, there's an easy path that way, or there's the long path. Shall we do it? See, that's the attitude you gotta have. We just take every single path. Why not? I mean, come all the way out here. There's a bear sign. It says bears can come out, be careful. Hello, bears? Any bears? It's all good because I brought my anti-bear spray, I think. Oh no, I forgot it. Oh, now we're in real trouble. Like if you check out my yakitori video, the yakitori master one, right there, it's you can tell it's just really good food, but that's my driving force right now. So every time I'm tired, I'm like, I'm gonna go there tonight. I'm gonna get some tsukune and some yakitori, and I'll be all right. So like I have unlimited energy because of that. It's like flashing my brain. Hideyoshi, Hideyoshi. Oh yeah, let me enjoy some nature. Hideyoshi. All right, listen to that. Nothing, just silence. It's actually really weird because I'm so used to hearing some kind of ambient sound wherever I go. So this absolute silence is crazy. I don't really know what's going on here, but looks like a bunch of people put 1 yen coins all in these cracks and crevices. There must be 150 yen here. Oh my goodness. Buy a soda. And you can see where we were walking before. Hey guys, how's it going? Having fun? Yeah, we're having fun. They used to have a couple spots with little tables so you can set your camera on them. Yeah, check it out. It's definitely smoke. That's not good. So like when I got out of the car, I smelled a very sulfury smell, and the mountain is smoking. It's a little bit of a concern for me. Now, if it was really a danger, they would probably maybe warn us. maybe. There's some blink and you'll miss some stairs right here. Yeah, there's just a little path up here. Well, isn't that cool? I always love these stone things. I have no idea what they say, but I just love seeing them. I kind of want to get a stone like that at our house, you know, just scribble on it. No one will understand it, but it's cool. This is probably another one of those animals over here. This one, or maybe that one. Bear. There's another bear sign. Wonder how often that happens, where the like a bear actually comes over. I'm just gonna rest on this tree right here. Oh wait, that's another bear sign. All right. In case you didn't get it the first 10 times, I gotta make sure. Maybe there's some government mandated standard, like put up 7 signs, and then if someone gets attacked by a bear, it's not your problem, Gunma. No problem. All right. But you gotta put up those 7 signs. Right? I mean, what do you think, right? And they're like strategic locations. All right, a bear mauled 7 people here. A bear attacked a child in this path right by this tree. Let's put a sign up there. All right. Another bear came over here and beat up an old lady. Let's put a sign over there. Those kind of things. Okay, so there's another little path up here that goes to that little resting area. I don't know why, but they've blocked it. And there's no signs of bears, so I don't know if it's bear related. I mean, I kind of want to go up there, but I'm not going to break the rules, you know?
And of course, no tourist destination would be complete without a gift shop, or possibly 2.
I'm just going to walk through here real quick. Ah, yes.
They had some local sake that you could only find here, and included was a cool little ogre sake container, so definitely had to get one of those. And inside the shop, everything is very demon themed. Demon themed cookies and snacks, local sake and various other drinks, t-shirts, teddy bears, just a whole bunch of random stuff. Our last stop was to get some demon-themed ramen on the first floor, because then we can eat outside with the dogs, whereas the restaurant we couldn't bring them in, so this is our only option, but it was pretty good.
Itadakimasu. And that's it for Onioshidashien. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.